to be honest, I've never really liked simple things. I So more or less, I brought this idea up to my dad about what would happen if we built a catapult at home, a trebuchet. So did some research, found out that a trebuchet is the most efficient design, and well, he challenged me. So you can make one that could throw farther after that. I don't like to lose, so thus I looked up some physics videos on YouTube. It's relatively simple. Found a simulator online that should actually show you what it relatively should shoot at if you plug in the dimensions. It took about 2 to 3 months to make, then about a month and a half of actual perfecting it, getting the sling right. Emotionally, this is my pride and joy. I've never done something as beautiful as this. When I start a business, this is going on every t-shirt, every hat, every mug. Well, he's actually been pretty invested in this project. I think he really likes it. For example, the wheels, not cheap. I think they cost like $40 total. Plus, he's allowed me to use the rope that's holding onto the counterweight right now. Gave that to me for free. He's been really supportive.